everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. And just wanted to say a quick thank you. I've been seeing a lot of likes on my video. Thank you, keep crushing it, keep crushing those like button, destroy it, hit it. Thank you guys. Well, I'm gonna keep doing some awesome videos. So today I decided to do like 5 fan life hacks. It's gonna be pretty cool. Let's check this out. For this life hack, if you need to blow up an air mattress just like that, look, you wanna help? Okay, well, thanks. But your fan must have hot and warm option. You must put it on warm. If you don't have that option, do not use your fan. And then I'm just gonna grab empty bottle, cut it in half, put it like that. Well, looks like Luke is ready for his air mattress. And then with that bottle, I'll just gonna put it right next to that hole and just turn the fan on. And that way I can blow up mattress pretty well, just like this. Stop, Luke. Really fast without the air pump. Pretty awesome, huh? Luke, you're not helping. Stop. You're letting all the air out. Come on, man. Sit. Luke, sit. Sit. Stay. 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 No, stay. Good boy. Okay, now we can close it, turn it off, and guess what? This bed is pretty full and it didn't take no... When you get out of the shower, your mirror gets steamed up pretty bad. Just grab your fan, put it on high and do this. Look how easy it is. Pretty awesome, huh? What do you guys think? Pretty easy, huh? Thumbs up for this one and try it yourself. It works awesome. If you spill some wax, don't worry about it. You know wax, if you spill it, you see how it hardens really quickly. So by the time you're gonna get like a rag or something, it's gonna get hardened and turn white. You see it hardens and turned white. It's gonna get stuck to the table or to the floor, whatever. What you wanna do is melt it a little bit. You see it melts slowly. You can see we melted all off, so now quickly grab a paper towel or something and wipe it off. It doesn't matter where it is. If it's on a floor, on a tile or on that table, you can wipe it off pretty quickly and pretty much you wax on your table at the same time. It's pretty awesome. And it's all gone. For this life hack, let's say your wife or your girlfriend leaves this stuff on a counter and they're pretty much in her way and your way. Well, surprise her by buying this PVC, 4-inch PVC, just like that. Set it like that and guess what? Place a fan this way and the hair straightener this way, and just handy put it on the side like that, and just hang the wires on the side. So put them away and look, now you have all this area that is empty for doing other things. Pretty cool, huh? What it's gonna do is bring a lot more oxygen into the fire, so the fire is gonna be a lot hotter and will burn quicker. So this is how you start your charcoal instantly. Just grab a fan and do this. After you see that it's going pretty good, you can actually turn it on max. Look how hot they get. Look how red they are. Man, this thing is popping. Alright, check this out, and your charcoal is ready to go. Wow! What do you guys think? Should we do it on a bigger scale? I think we should do it